Mario! Huh? What is it, Luigi? Can I have a fidget spinner? No. How much does one even cost? $20. Wait, $20? $20? Why $20? I don't know. I don't know why it would cost $20. That's just cruel robbery. I know. But do they actually cost $20? I don't know. Well, this. Never mind. I don't want to break the fourth wall. But anyways, no, I'm not gonna give you a fidget spinner. But Mario, everyone else has it. So please, I want to have it. Let me think about. No. Fine, I'll make my own. Yeah, no, you won't. Okay, all I have to do is 3D print some stuff and get some bearings. Okay, let's do that. Okay, there we go. There we go. First things first. Put these. Fidget spinner, yay! This is not how to make video. That's not that. Hey Mario! What is it? No fidget spinner, bam! It doesn't even look good. Yeah, it does. It's gonna be perfectly speedy. Okay, prove it. Put it right there. And spin it. Wow, that is very terrible, Luigi. No, it's not. Okay, put it on eBay. We'll see if anybody ever buys it in one day. Okay, they're gonna buy it. Trust me. You're right. What is it, Luigi? I farted. What is it, Luigi? No one's sold. No, I got it. No one bought it. Oh, that's too bad. People should have bought it right now. Not! This is a piece of junk, Luigi. But no buts. Wonder what you're gonna do with it now. Strawberry. Yeah. What the heck? Luigi, what happened to the fidget spinner? I broke it. I'm getting a new one. Well, I don't want it. Well, fine. You're gonna keep it. Wake up! Scare me, kid. Anyways, I'm going to design. I engineer stuff. Oh, really? No, you got all F's. Don't. Just shut up, okay? But anyways, I'm an engineer. What do you want me to build? A red fidget spinner. Red fidget spinner? Okay. I guess I can build it. And because you're new, I'm going to do this one for free. For free? Yeah, for free. Okay. Now, it'll only take 1 minute, okay? I'll see you soon. Okay, kid, I got what you want. Oh, really? Yeah, here's a red fidget spinner. Oh, thank you. Does it spin good? Yeah, it spins really good. Alright. See ya. Bye.